Today I'm going to show you how to accept a payment on an invoice and the importance of using the undeposited funds account. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select sales and invoices. You're going to find the invoice that you're looking to make the payment on. So let's just choose this one, this Red Rock Diner for $156. We're going to select receive payment. Now, QuickBooks is automatically going to put today's date as the payment date, but let's just say you took the check to the bank yesterday and you deposited it in the checking account and you're just getting around to recording it now. You would want to change this date to yesterday, the date that the check actually went to the bank, not the date that you received the check from the customer, but the date that you deposited it into the bank. You want to make sure that this is always undeposited funds. So technically how it works is you accept the payment from the customer, you deposit it into the undeposited funds in your chart of accounts, and then when the deposit actually posts to your checking account or savings account or wherever it gets deposited, it's technically a transfer from the undeposited funds into the checking account, because until the check clears and actually funds and is spendable to you, it's in between. You've accepted it, but you haven't actually collected it yet. So that's why we use the undeposited funds account. And then you would select save and close. If this was, say they sent the check for $140, you could change the payment amount and it would keep the $16 open. So you would hit save and close. And then when it actually hits the bank, it'll show up here in transactions, in the deposits, and it'll show up like this with the match found. And you would just select match. This would prevent it from duplicating. When you match it, that's what transfers it from the undeposited funds into the checking account and reconciles it on both sides so that you don't duplicate the transaction.